Are you interested in learning about evolution through natural selection? This video will help you understand the concept better and apply it to animals like giraffes. Natural selection is defined as the differential survival and reproduction of individuals due to differences in phenotype. Evolution occurs by natural selection when specific genotypes produce more offspring than other genotypes in response to the environment. This idea was introduced by Charles Darwin in On the Origin of Species by Natural Selection, written in 1859. Natural selection was inspired from observations he made on the second voyage of the HMS Beagle to the Galapagos Islands in 1835. Darwin noticed similarities among species from different areas across the globe, which led him to believe that they all came from a common ancestor. Darwin's 4 requirements for his theory of natural selection were that the trait under selection must be variable, the trait must be heritable, the struggle of existence must exist, and individuals with different alleles have differential survival and reproduction. This example can be applied to giraffes, as early giraffes had very short necks, and eventually their necks grew because they had to stretch out so much to reach their food. The first requirement is that the trait under selection must be variable. Organisms should exhibit variations within their appearance and behavior. Examples of these variations include hair color, voice, number of offspring, body size, etc. Genetic variation is vital because it allows natural selection to increase or decrease the frequency of alleles that are already in the population. This can apply to giraffes and how they have different patterns, colors, and neck lengths to adapt to their specific environments. The trait under selection must also be heritable. Changes in heritable characteristics over time can shift average characteristics of a population. The entities must vary with respect to the trait. The heritable variability must be associated with differential reproductive success. The struggle of existence must also be present. If a species has a larger population, it will have a greater chance of survival than one with a smaller population. This example can be applied to giraffes because only those with even slightly longer necks won in the struggle of existence because they could reach the food and were larger than their other predators. Individuals with different alleles have different survival or reproduction rates. Differences in traits will be the reason for individuals having different survival or reproduction rates. The species that have their genes best passed down and represented through the generations will have the best rates of survival or reproduction. Although we applied these characteristics to giraffes and their neck lengths, recent research has shown that there are additional factors that come into play. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helped you understand evolution by natural selection.